Okay, I think I have everything. Hi, welcome to the Paige family homestead. It's a good day. You know why? We're canning. If you've been following along, you know that I'm trying to empty the fridge because I'm a fridge hoarder. And I found some more cranberries. So I've already dehydrated a whole bunch. So I don't need any more of those right now. So I thought, well, I gotta empty that freezer. Let's make some juice. Do you remember? I'll put in the iCard when we made grape juice. Well, I'm going to use the same process. I've seen on YouTube that other people have done this successfully. What I like about it, I'm the boss of my sugar. There's so many medicinal attributes for this as well. It helps in the aid of curing up urinary tract infection. I wrote some stuff down here. It helps with heart health, helps age-related damage. I better make 2 batches. It also helps support post-menopausal health. Daily consumption of cranberries in any form. It doesn't say how many. You'd have to check the Google. But they claim that it also aids in lowering your cholesterol. But regardless of all those things, I'm getting a steam bath. Regardless of, oh yeah, am I ever. Regardless of all those things, it tastes so good. Now, the recipes I'm using, they're using fresh cranberries. I had frozen. So I'm using frozen cranberries, and I don't see why it's not going to work. So what the other recipes are using a 1/3 cup of sugar. I opt to not. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup. I just found that the grape juice is a little sweet for me. It's still good, and it's more like a concentrate. You can add a little bit of water, but I'm just going to go with the 1/4 cup of sugar into the jar. And then I'm going to put in a little bit of water because I don't want sugar sticking. My jars have been sterilized according to the governing, you know who's. You don't need to anymore for doing hot water bath, but I like to. I like to. If it's over 10 minutes, I believe they say it's not required, but I still like to. So why not, right? It's an extra safety precaution. So we're going to use 1 3/4 cups of berries. If you can hear a little whining here and there, that would be Suki, because you know, like a kid, when you get on the phone, they act up. Our dog acts
every time we have a camera in our hands.
Yeah.
Oh, what about me?
So then what we do, like this is so intensely hard. Then what we're going to do is take it to the inch. Right at the nape of the neck. I don't have anything hiding the jar, do I, sweetie?
What?
I don't have anything in.
No.
Okay. And we're going to stir. Only because I want to dissolve that sugar up a little bit. Now, these are a hot water bath. And you're going to find when you're done, it's a 20-minute boil. Vigorous boil. You know the rules for hot water bath canning. The sugar will sometimes be at the bottom. So I wait until it's cold. Because I've done this with fresh, I just haven't done them with frozen. I wait until the jars have cooled, and then I just mix it up a little bit, and it stays mixed up, and it's, oh gosh, this stuff is good. So I've got 1/4 cup of sugar, and you could, if you have organic sugar, even better, guys. And then 1 3/4 cups of berries. I did add sugar to the jar, and the berries do contain their own sugar and juices, so white vinegar, wipe your rim. My lids also, I sterilize them too. And again, you don't need to. Put on our lid and our ring. Now they say anywhere from 4 to 6 weeks, finger tight. But honestly, we waited, what, 3 months for our grape juice? It was good.
The longer it sits, the better. Always.
Yeah,
always.
yeah. Like summer, what is it? Just February? So I'm going to leave this for spring, our first nice spring warm day. I'm going to crack this open and pour it over ice, and it's going to be good. So we'll do one more, and then I'm going to get them all done and bring you back when we're at the hot water bath. I guess this helps. I'll put my champagne on top.
Yeah, it does.
That's one. Remember one for me, because I did it out of order. And a 1/4 cup. Get some in there. So I still have more berries to go in, guys. Where'd I put it? And then 3/4 cups to bring it to the measure. And then our water. Now we're on well water. The water has been boiled to the 1 inch. How hard is this? Evidently. And then we're just going to do another debubble. The fruit will sit to the top. That's okay. It's all underwater. We're going to wipe our rim. Put on our lid. Oh, this magnet sucks too. And our ring. Finger tight. That's it, folks.
Oh, cool.
I know. That's like, and this juice is so good, so good. I've just never done it with frozen. What I did was I took them to the sink and I rinsed them with hot water. Not really hot, tepid water. And just kind of picked through them a little bit and rinsed them off just to take the sharp ice off, right? So I can't see why it shouldn't work. So I'm going to fill the rest of my jars. We're going to put 7 jars into the canner to do our hot water bath, and I'll be back in a bit. Okay, 7 beautiful quarts of cranberry juice in the making. I need a vigorous boil for 20 minutes, so the lid's, oh, I do have my 1.5 to 2 inches of water over top of each jar, and they are on a, you can't see it down there, trivet, sorry, fog. What was I thinking? Lid on, and I'm watching for the boil. I can hear it from the table. And there we have it, our rigorous boil. 20 minutes, and we'll be back. So the timer just went off. I've just turned off my heat, and I'm going to let it sit like that, not touch it at all, for 10 minutes. Alright, 10 minutes has gone by, so now it's time to take these out. I can't do it south paw, left paw, right paw. I'm just going to put you down and come back when they're out. I don't want to burn myself just in case, but water's clear. Everything's looking beautiful. Check it out. 7 quarts. Look at it. Isn't it beautiful? I'm not going to touch these for, I don't know, probably 8+ weeks. And when I break these open, I'll bring you back in one of the videos to let you know how it was. I'll come back and put it in the comments down here which video the taste test was. But guys, you control your own sugar. How much better can it get than that? It's beautiful. It's late. I'm going to turn it off here. I'm going to bring you back in the morning when they've cooled, and let's see how many are sealed. Here we go, guys. It's tomorrow. All the jars sealed. Took the rings off. washed them with a nice warm soapy cloth, dried them up, and I'm starting my labels. Yes, I use painter's tape. It works and it comes off so easy. So I've labeled them with the date we made it and open in March or after March, right? So I'm going to get the rest of them labeled and put away. Oh, can you tell I haven't had my coffee yet? You can already see the change in them overnight. This is going to be so good. You control your sugar. The store doesn't. You do. So thank you for watching. I hope you gleaned something from the video today. Don't be afraid to experiment and play. Make some juices. Clean the freezer. This is going to be so good in spring. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Andy's in bed. He's not going to go ding, ding, ding. See you tomorrow.